Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a PR video with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a jelly nail scroll design, and I am using the 6-pack set that I received from Born Pretty. I will leave the links in the description box below. Go ahead and check them out. I'm not too sure if you can use my code on the Amazon app. You can definitely use it on their website. So I'm not sure, but go ahead and check it out. I've done the live unboxing, the re-unboxing, along with a previous stained glass design, and today I am doing another design for you guys. I'm going to be using colors 2 through 6. There are 6 colors and I have 5 nails, so I wanted to do the full color so you can see the full color of this jelly gel that I think is really super pretty. In the previous stained glass design, I mixed all 6 colors onto one nail, which was also cute, but here you get to see firsthand at length the full color of each bottle onto these nails, and some of them are just to die for. Yeah, that 02 was very deep and red, and 01, it was similar. It might have been even deeper than that, but anyways, here I'm using 05. 06 was the blue that you saw in the very beginning. That's a nice pretty color as well. This obviously is my favorite anytime you have a green, but I'm really happy that this set this set includes the blue and the green, because it's usually the blue and the green that gets left out on sets. And I really appreciated the mix. It was more like a rainbow mix, so this is perfect for someone that wants to have a little bit of everything in the jelly color. But I really wanted to use just one coat of each, because I really love, me, I really love the jelly look, and I really wanted to showcase that and not double up with the layers. Doubling up the layers always makes the color very nice and pronounced, but in this case I was going more for the transparency, so we're going to go that route. So as we're showcasing the letters, I am going to do a stamping design on here. We have a few more other items from Born Pretty that I've already had that we're going to be using in this design. But the 6 set of Glamour Glow Jellies are, Amber Glow Jellies are together in a set, and I got that not too long ago. So this last bit here is number 4. This one's like an orangey color, yellowish orange. I don't really. Amber. How about amber? Since this is the Amber Glow Jelly Gel Collection. But yeah, the colors are so pretty, you guys. And I don't know. I could do jelly all day. So here I have some white stamping polish with Born Pretty. You can check out their stamping polishes on their website. I got these ones on Amazon as well if you wanted to check them out. Born Pretty does have a store on there. And then this is an iridescent powder that I got from them before the end of last year for my birthday. And I'm finally going to get to use it. What I'm going to do is apply this onto my silicone stamper, and this is a great way to apply your chrome powders onto your stamping image so that you don't have to rub it in later. As we know, sometimes that stuff can get finicky and you never know if the chrome powder is going to stick on. But as you are picking up the wet image from your stamping plate, it will adhere to the chrome powder that you've gently patted down onto your silicone mold. A silicone stamper, this is going to ruin it a bit, so choose a stamper that you don't necessarily care about. But we did the stamping already, and then I'm going to just add a top coat over this. So I have chosen some scroll images that I had just lying around. But yeah, I'm using the top coat to seal everything in. You can see the iridescent scrolls on there. Some of the powder went on the nail, and I did nail cleanse the nail before I put the stamp on. And I forgot to brush the excess powder off the nail before I sealed. So yeah, some of these nails you'll see have the iridescent powder on the nail as well. But I do think that it ended up making it look really cool at the end of the day, because you have that jelly color, but you also have that iridescent sheen. So some moments you can see the iridescent sheen with the jelly. At other moments, you just see the color as the jelly. So you get a little bit of both, but that scroll on there just adds a elegant twist for the holiday that you can slap these on with some stickers or some nail glue. But we are wrapping this up, and this is a nice quick set I decided to throw at you guys. I love jellies and I love simple designs too on the go. So if you're trying to do something tonight, this is something that you can do. A simple stamp design on a jelly nail never fails. Throw in some chrome powder onto it to give it a more sophisticated twist. But we're going to look at the end result now, you guys. This is how it's looking from afar, and you can see the iridescent color changes as I move these guys around. Again, if you are interested in getting yourself the 6th set of the Amber Glow gel polish, go to my description box and check out the link. It'll take you to the Amazon website where you can get that, which means that you are, rather than waiting for full shipping when you order directly from their website, you can possibly get quicker shipping because it's on Amazon. I'm not too sure. I never kept track of the shipping on there because I don't have Prime. But anyway, I wanted to take this opportunity to thank my Josieisms 2-tier members. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you'd like to be a member today, go ahead and check out the perks. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time.